Hello. Have you ever stopped to think about all the stuff that makes up the world around us? I'm talking about everything we can see and touch, from your favorite book to the water you drink, and even the air we breathe. It may seem like a lot of different things, but it's all made up of stuff called matter. And this matter has some pretty cool properties. Today, we're going to dive into three of these properties: mass, volume, and magnetism. First up is mass. Imagine you have a big rock and a small pebble. Which one has more stuff inside? The big rock, of course. That's what mass is. It tells us how much stuff is in something. The big rock has more mass because it's made up of more stuff than the tiny pebble. We measure mass in grams and kilograms. A paperclip is super light, so we'd measure it in grams. But a backpack full of heavy books has a lot more stuff, so we'd measure it in kilograms. Next up, let's talk about volume. Volume is all about space, how much space something takes up. Think about a basketball and a tennis ball. The basketball takes up way more space, right? That means the basketball has a bigger volume. We measure volume in different ways. If we're measuring liquids like juice in a carton, we use liters and milliliters. If we're measuring solids like a block or a book, we use cubic centimeters. Now, let's explore something really cool: magnetism. Some special objects have a force called magnetism. Magnets can pull on certain types of metal, like iron, without even touching them. That's the force at work when magnets stick to your refrigerator. But here's a fun fact: not everything is magnetic. If you try testing different objects, you'll find that a metal spoon might stick to a magnet, but a wooden spoon won't. And magnets themselves have two ends called poles that can either pull together or push away from each other. You might be wondering, why do we need to know all this? Well, understanding mass, volume, and magnetism helps us understand how the world works. It helps us build amazing things, measure ingredients when we're cooking yummy food, and even play fun games. Scientists use these properties to explore and discover new things, like how our planets move or what new materials we can create. So keep exploring the world around you, and you'll see mass, volume, and magnetism in action everywhere. Thank you for watching.